Steps in creating custom subnet masks. Step 1. Designing the physical network. There are essentially 4 steps to custom subnetting. The first step is to design the physical network. Now, in many cases, the physical network may be already designed for us, and what we need to do is determine, first, the number of physical segments on the network. Then second, we have to figure out the maximum number of hosts on each physical segment. Now, step 2 is to choose a subnet mask, actually a custom subnet mask, that creates a number of subnet IDs that is greater than or equal to the number of physical segments, and also the subnet mask, the custom subnet mask, must give us a number of host IDs on each physical segment that is greater than or equal to the actual number of hosts on each physical segment, because we always have to match the software, that is the numbering of the IP addresses, to the physical segments. Then, step 3, we have to determine and number our subnet IDs, because they will be used when we sit down and number the actual host addresses. In the next few presentations, we'll be going through an example to demonstrate how to do custom subnetting. Now, in this example, we have a physical network, and that physical network has 5 physical segments, and those segments need to support a maximum of 5,000 hosts on each segment. We've had assigned to us a Class B address, 152.77.0.0. Now, that's our network address, and it's our job as administrators then to set up the IP addressing for our network. The first step of custom subnetting is always to design or assess the physical network. Now, there are many design issues as far as the network traffic, the geographic locations, the hardware and software limitations that may come into play, and really designing a network is outside the scope of this course. But from an IP addressing perspective, what we need to do is to assess the network and determine the number of physical segments on the network, and also determine the maximum number of hosts on any physical segment, because that will directly impact how we set up our IP addresses, because IP addressing really starts after the physical network is in place.